The rate appeal process at a university requires that a jury be structured by selecting 8 individuals randomly from a pool of 10 students and 11 faculty. What is the probability of selecting a jury from all students? So this question says that we have a pool of 21 people total. 10 of them are students and 11 of them they are faculty. And we are looking to find the probability of selecting a jury of all the students. Okay, we want to take out 8 of them from the pool of 21 people total. So I want to get out 8 of them. Now, looking for the probability is the same thing as looking for the ratio or the proportion. And in this case, the order doesn't matter, right? So we are using the combination formula. Now, the denominator should be all the possible combination or the outcome from that question. We have a total of 21 people, and I want to get out any 8 of them, right? So combination between 21 and we are choosing out 8 of them. So this is the total combination of all the possible outcome. And this first question asking you for what is the probability of selecting a jury of all students. That means we want to get out 8 students from the list of the 10 students only, because I want to get all the students only. I do not want to take any faculty. So this 8 jury group here is coming from the list of 10 students. So that would be the possible outcome for that. And then we divide by the total possible outcome for everything, because we are selecting 8 people from a group of 21. So this is all the possible outcome. And you can use a graphing calculator or any calculator that has the combination formula. So on the top, we will use 10, and we go to math, go to PRB, and choose the C formula. So that's the option 3, and choose 8, and then divide by 21, and then math, and then again go to PRB and pick the option 3, and we are choosing 8 out of 21, and it will give you 0.00022 because this is 2.21 to 10 to the -4 power. So you can route to 5 decimal places. The second question, they also ask you for what is the probability of selecting a jury. In this time, we want all the faculty. Okay, so again, we are selecting 8 people from the list of 21, right? So that is the total combination of all the possible outcomes. And in this time, the group of 8, they are coming from the faculty. Okay, we only want all of them to be faculty. So we are selecting a group of 8 from 11. We don't want any students. So on the top, it should be 8 from the list of 11 faculty. The order doesn't matter. And then out of the total possible outcome, these 8 people are coming from the list of 21 people. And again, we are using the same functions. So I'm going to second entry again, right? And then I can get back my input. And all I do now is I'm changing the top of 10. I switch that to 11. And that will give me 0.00081, because this is 8.108 to the 10 to the -4 power. And you are routing it back to the 5 decimal places. And lastly, they ask you what is the probability of selecting a jury of 5 students and 3 faculty. And in this case, mean multiplication, right? So again, we are always choosing 8 people from a group of 21 people. So this is the total combination of everything. Now we want 5 students. So I want to get 5 of them from the list of 10 students, okay? And then n mean multiplications. And then I want the other 3 people, because the total would be 8, we have 5 of them, so now the other 3, they are coming from the faculty, so that would be 11. Okay, and again, you can use a graphing calculator again. On the top, I use 10 and math and C formula 5 multiply 11 and math PRB and C3 and then divide by 21 and PRB and 8, and that will give me 0.20433 if I round it to 5 decimal places.